how to manually add vendors or suppliers in QuickBooks. So right here, I've just logged into my QuickBooks account, and then we want to hover over expenses, and you will be able to see this, suppliers or vendors. If you're not able to locate it, we will simply search for it right here, and we can search for vendor or supplier. So I'm going to click on here, and it's going to take me to this page. Keep track of who you pay. Now we can import suppliers, or we can add suppliers manually. Once selected, we will need to fill out this information: title, first name, middle name, last name, suffix, and the supplier display name is mandatory because it has an asterisk here. So we can type out the name as well as any other information right here. Once it has been saved, then we will simply click on save here, and we will have successfully added a vendor to our QuickBooks account. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.